In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Base44 app. If you need to permanently remove an app from your Base44 workspace, this process is very quick, but it's also something you should do carefully. Once an app is deleted, Base44 indicates that the action cannot be undone. So it's important to make sure you're deleting the correct one before you confirm anything. To begin, go to Base44 and sign into your workspace. Once you're logged in, navigate to the apps page. This is where you'll see the apps connected to your workspace, so take a moment to locate the specific app you want to delete. If you manage multiple apps, it's a good idea to double check the app name and make sure you've selected the right one before moving forward. When you found the app, look at its app card and click the More Actions icon shown as 3 dots. This opens a menu with additional options for that app. From that menu, click Delete. After that, Base44 will ask you to confirm the deletion. To proceed, click Delete this app. This is the final confirmation step, and it's the point where the app will be permanently removed from your workspace. It's important to understand what gets deleted here. According to Base44, deleting the app permanently erases the app itself along with its data, history, users, domains, and integrations. In other words, this isn't just removing the app from view, it completely wipes it from the workspace. Because of that, make sure you no longer need any of the connected information before confirming the action. Once you click the final delete option, the app is permanently deleted and the action cannot be reversed. So if there's anything you may want to reference later, it's best to review that before completing the deletion. And that's all it takes to delete a Base44 app. The process is simple. Sign in to Base44, open the apps page, find your app, click the 3-dot More Actions menu, choose Delete, and confirm by selecting Delete this app. If you're following along, just move slowly through the final confirmation so you don't accidentally remove the wrong app. With that done, you've successfully deleted your Base44 app.